thing going forward. That's a good thing right there. That thing is going forward while you talk. Get your vote.
How does it sound when I do it like that? How does it sound when I do it like that? I just feel clean like that.
Freaking microphone got you going forward, man. That microphone got your signal bouncing forward. Hey, real black man, King, that microphone got you bouncing forward, man. You see that's a stock mic? Well, you going forward. Every time you talk, you're bobbing forward. Hello, King, you bobbing forward. I'll see you about that. The deal here, this is a microphone, different radio. Woody, this is a different microphone, different radio. Just a little bit different on that cat big end.
Yeah, phone 10.
Yeah, man, I'm see if I can record that, man, because I like to see it when that kind of big microphone is moving forward. You bobbing forward, no doubt about it. Hey, King, Ebenezer, Woody Woodpecker, right back. I think you know what you're doing down there. I sure think you know what you're doing down there. Hey, you the king of the fucking southeast, northeast corner up there. You are King Ebenezer. You are the king. Hey, King Ebenezer, Mr. Woody Woodpecker, say what you think, baby.
One, two. Yes, black man.
Something right there. I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to show you. And when I get through, I want you to tell these boys what I just did. That's how I know I control 13 southern states and what you hear in your radio. Tell them I don't want no back door. Just go ahead and use their radio. I'm standing down. Click, click.
But I can't buy no boys to put this lick and stick on, brown shoes. You know what he want to call you while I got this coming down. They scared him right now, brown shoes.
Tell me go ahead and use their radio and don't give me no fucking back no. In fact, if they tell you to tell me something, I'm not even gonna key no more. If they tell you to tell me something, don't even tell me. I'm gonna let them talk this morning. That's it right there. Lights out. I'm gonna let them talk. Click, click.
Well, you got it. Me and my Cobra 29. No more. You want to let them talk, is what you said. Everybody get up in my radio is because you let them know about that. Hello. Hey, Woody, you got it laid in the corner. Hey, Woody, you got it laid off in the corner. God damn, you got it in the corner, Woody. Brown shoes. One more time for the match of die. Take your brown shoes, I'm stepping. Which one do you like best? Which one do you like best, brown shoes? The brown or the Cobra? Welcome to the weekend, no doubt about it. Hey, Go ahead. Black man, 15 to 6, I plugged him right up.